Ichijujuye. It's a Friday 22nd. که اینجا منتظری در سوخته. You waiting there from since this morning. Change color for me. Antica. Oh, bueno. Sacramento.
Plaza Mateo, Plaza San Juan de Dios, Parque Ignacio.
اتولخانه یه چشم. یه هم اتولخانه یه چشم. Hola.
Camagüey.
¿Ya?
La historia de Camagüey dice, el cacique Camagüey Báez, acogido, alzaron su cuerpo desde el puerro Turbarque en la...
27, ya. 27.
Tínima, hija del cacique, fue obligada a desposarse con un cojón. Salían las más aguas que tomaban lugareños y visitaban, decía la tradición, que el foraje.
Soluta las mortas.
Tras la muerte de Perú,
Ali.
Abandonados, un día capturaron a Ali.
Ali. Crown of Camagüey. Camagüey.
Centro histórico urbano.
Gracias. There used to be a Cologne hotel with a crown sign here. Just a maison the other way. 1492. June 23rd, 2012. And yeah. Today they have the Dragon Boats Festival in China, and there is in Camagüey Don Juan Carnival in 24 to 29. Isn't that interesting? 5th day of the 5th month on 23rd. It falls on 23rd this year. June. Hoy is Prince William birthday.
Eso.
No, England. Today is birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sí. Ya, cumple años.
Yeah, and the dragon, China dragon boat.
Sí,
China dragon boat. Yeah, and Camagüey Carnival.
Luego de la revolución.
casino en Las Vegas?
Es casino.
¿Las Vegas?
Las Vegas.
No, Las
Las
Vegas.
Vegas es Estados Unidos. Oíste, devorado por
Buscando. Instead of flour, they put condom for me.
el monumento es allá. Sí, agua. Chica.
Chica.
Sí, chica. Palacio.
See, I'm gonna leave Camagüey for the carnival, so they can. The 3rd of June, 2012, 3rd of Ramadan. ¿Qué país? Who is this guy? Manuel Ramón Silva. ¿Jugona? No. Hoy es 3, no 5, 3. Es 3. ...25 de julio. My game is fair play. Bueno. Amigo, no Cuba. No Cuba. Benito. No Cuba fly. خدا بیامرز کامرا جو دفعه پیش اینجا یه سخنرانی کرده بودم مثلا نوکو June 23rd, middle of nowhere. داریم میریم هاوانا. $25 junio.
25.
Hoy 25, 25. Tuesday, 19th of June. I mean, Mexico, and 20th of Cordad. Today I just find out that the Jose Marti and the Masons are against the monarchy. That is the big problem. Got 10, Playboy, 4x4, and a big fuck you. How come Michelin is here? This is what Nowruz means, March 20, 2001. March 20 means? No, No CD. No CD player. iPad.
DVD, video.
iPad. No player. June 19.
19?
19.
9, yeah.
19.
Español. 19.
For that 21st.
No,
No respect for the king?
yeah.
No respect for the king?
For the king?
Yeah.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, so respect though.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so, I go for my house now. And I have one baby. Yeah, for here.
Fidel, no Fidel.
Hey, Fidel, no.
No Fidel, no
No, for
money.
me, no.
Fidel no good?
It's good, pero
Very good.
for me, no
For you no good?
For me, no.
You have no respect for the
No.
king, so hospital.
No, I speak in hospital.
Hospital
but-
money, good money. Hospital is still all the money.
No, it's for it.
Yeah, so hospital, pharmacy are good money.
No, you not respect. You not respect. Pero
Hospital, Fidel no father. Hospital. Go to
Yeah.
hospital, handicap. Give you all the money.
yeah, and
We're gonna tell you that I'm the lion on the moon. Not that.